All right, let's talk about vitamins. We hear it all the time, right? Make sure you get your vitamins. But what does that actually mean? What are these little things and what are they really doing inside our bodies? Well, today we're gonna pull back the curtain and explain it all. So get this, what do pirates, raw eggs, and your eyesight all have in common? I know, it sounds like the setup for a really weird joke, but believe it or not, the answer is vitamins. And if you stick with me, you'll see exactly how all three of these things are connected. So let's start with the basics. What is a vitamin? Simply put, they're tiny, essential nutrients that your body absolutely needs to function. Think of them as the microscopic managers running the entire show. And to make this super clear, we're going to sort them into 3 functional teams, each with its own vital mission. Okay, first up, let's meet the energy crew. This is the B vitamin complex. It's actually a group of 8 different vitamins, and they all work together like the operators at your body's own personal power plant. Their main mission is pretty straightforward. They take the food you eat, all the carbs, fats, and proteins, and they convert it into pure, usable energy. They are literally the crew that keeps your lights on all day. What's really cool is how these first 3 B vitamins, B1, B2, and B3, are a tight-knit unit. They're all about that energy conversion. So it makes sense that when you don't have enough of them, the parts of your body that need the most energy, like your heart and nervous system, are the first to have problems. A lack of B1, for example, can cause beriberi. It just goes to show, without this crew on the job, your body's entire power grid starts to fail. And the energy crew has its specialists too. You've got B5, kind of like the site foreman, helping build crucial things like hormones. B6 is your communications expert, helping to regulate your mood and sleep. Then there's B9, or folate, who's in charge of new construction, literally making new cells. And finally, B12, the master architect for your DNA. What a team, right? Incredibly versatile. And this is where those raw eggs from our opening question finally come into play. Vitamin B7 is super important for healthy hair and bones. But here's the catch. Raw egg whites contain a protein called avidin that actually blocks your body from absorbing it. So, mystery number 1 solved. All right, let's move on to team number 2, the body's builders. Now, if the B vitamins are the power plant, you can think of these guys as the construction crew. They're in charge of building and maintaining your entire physical structure. Yeah, their job is huge. We're talking everything from your bones and your teeth to the very cells that let you see the world around you. This team makes sure your body's framework is solid, strong, and working correctly. And boom, here's the answer to the second part of our riddle, your eyesight. Vitamin A is famous for its role in vision. If you don't get enough, it can lead to night blindness. But it doesn't stop there. It's also a major player in bone growth and keeping your immune system tough. Next up on the construction crew is vitamin D, the one everyone calls the sunshine vitamin. Its main job is to act like a security guard for calcium, letting it into your body to build strong bones. Without enough vitamin D, things get serious. In children, a deficiency causes rickets, which leads to deformed bones. In adults, it's a condition called osteomalacia, which literally means soft bones. Now check out this crazy piece of history. Way back, to fight rickets, people came up with a pretty clever idea. They started feeding cows cod liver oil, which is packed with vitamin D. This made the cow's milk rich in the vitamin, which then got passed on to the kids who drank it. A pretty smart solution before vitamin pills were a thing. The final member of the building crew is vitamin K. This one is like your body's emergency medic and its structural engineer all rolled into one. It's the vitamin that activates proteins so your blood can clot properly, so a paper cut doesn't become a huge problem. It's also absolutely essential for bone health, helping to keep osteoporosis at bay. And that brings us to our final team, the Guardian Squad. These vitamins are your microscopic bodyguards. Their mission is to protect your cells from damage and keep all your internal systems safe and secure. Seriously, think of them as your personal 24/7 security detail. They patrol your body, neutralizing threats like free radicals, which are basically just unstable molecules that wreak havoc on your cells. They keep everything running the way it's supposed to. Now, the most famous guardian is vitamin C, and that's mostly because not having enough of it leads to the infamous disease scurvy. You see, vitamin C is critical for making collagen, which is basically the glue that holds your body together. Without it, your body literally starts to fall apart. We're talking decaying gums, wounds that refuse to heal. It's nasty stuff. And there it is, the final piece of our puzzle from the beginning. Scurvy was the legendary disease of pirates and sailors. Why? Because they'd be stuck on ships for months with no fresh fruits and vegetables, the best sources of vitamin C. It's a pretty stark reminder of how important just one single nutrient can be. Rounding out our Guardian squad is vitamin E. This one is a super powerful antioxidant, which again means it takes out those damaging free radicals. It even acts as a personal bodyguard for other nutrients like vitamin A, protecting them from damage. On top of that, it keeps your red blood cells healthy and might even help protect your brain. A true guardian. So we've met the whole crew. We have the energy crew, the bodies builders, and the guardian squad. We've seen what they do, so the big question is, how do we make sure all these amazing teams are showing up for work every single day? Well, it really all boils down to eating a varied, balanced diet. You can see here how you recruit your different teams. The builders, like vitamins A and K, are hanging out in leafy greens and dairy. The Guardian Squad, with C and E, gets deployed from fruits and vegetables. And the energy crew gets its fuel from all over, meats, legumes, you name it. The big takeaway here, a colorful plate is a well-staffed body. The most important thing to remember is that these vitamins don't just work alone. They're all part of a complex, interconnected system. The energy crew can't do its job if the builders aren't containing the power plant. So the next time you look down at your plate, don't just see food. See the fuel for your power crew, the materials for your builders, and the shields for your guardians. And ask yourself, are you giving all your teams what they need to win? Thanks for tuning in.